Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Sam with Backcountry Life. Today, guys, we're going to be opening a new product. So I got something new I'm excited to share with you guys. We're out here in the desert to do some riding. It's actually pretty cold, hence the vest, but should be a good day. And let's get into opening this bad boy up. All right, guys, so this pack is a KLIM Arsenal pack. I'm excited to use it. I have been using a KLIM pack. I have a couple other ones. I've had Fox Racing packs, a USWE. I'm sure I'm forgetting some other packs, but I wanted to try this out. A vest is going to stay more attached to my body, and I can haul more gear and distribute more weight, especially when you're hauling camera equipment and going for the longer motos and so forth. So this thing has 9 pockets total. And that also is including this back detachable tool pack. So I already have one of these tool packs, which is really cool because then I can just swap it and start using it right now. In fact, I think that's pretty awesome. The other thing is it even has, like, if you wanted to carry, like I have a Glock or something like a sidearm, you can carry a sidearm. So lots and lots of pockets. It even has this MOLLE spec webbing, so you can attach other things, which is really cool. The other thing is it includes a hydration pack. So I wish they all came with this. This is something I feel like, they offer the NAC pack without it, but maybe it's for snowmobiling and they don't, some snowmobilers don't want to carry hydration, which I think everyone should. I'm excited to try the vest out. I've worn one before, one of these KLIMs. I really did like it. I didn't spend a lot of time. The downside, I think, is they're going to be a bit hot. So there's trade-offs, obviously, because I feel like my USWE and my KLIM NAC pack still bounce, especially when I'm out here in the desert when you're hitting bigger whoops, and that really annoys me. So I don't like the bounce. So I'd rather have something that distributes the weight more. And the other thing, like I mentioned, is carrying more camera equipment, and when you have kids and stuff, I end up carrying a lot more stuff than I would prefer. But I'm gonna try this out. Has double zippers, pretty sweet, so you can move the zippers to wherever you want. Tons of room. So far, I feel like it fits pretty good. So we're gonna get out and ride. Also stay tuned, guys, because I'm gonna get my hands on a few other vests and try them out and do a little side-by-side comparison. So you can get this pack, I think, for just under 200 bucks at Rocky Mountain ATV, or their link in the description if you guys want to check that out. So tell me what you guys think. Do you think a vest is a good idea? Do you want to stay with the standard backpack? Let me know what system you guys use. I want to hear your thoughts. And thanks for watching, and see you guys out on the trail.